Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Blackmans Cycle TV. It's Chris Line along with Jeff By from the Beard Rush. A beautiful fall day here at Blackmans Cycle, depending on when you're seeing this video. Lots of good stuff coming your way today. We're going to have two different segments today. First one, in a minute here, we're going to talk about Ryker. We got 600s, we got 900s, we got rallies coming in any day now. Jeff is our Can-Am and BRP expert here, and we pretty much have an insane selection of Rykers coming in. Also going to talk about the Can-Am Defender, I believe the Pro, like the loaded Can-Am side-by-side.
The Can-Am Defender XT Pro. So we'll get to it. The Pro has the 6-foot bed with the removable sides. It's got a ridiculous amount of storage, winch, roof, upgraded seats, so on and so forth, but we'll get there. Yeah,
we'll go over to our little fortress and we'll do a complete walk around video. We'll show you guys everything about that Can-Am Defender. The Pro coming up a little bit later. Also going to talk about youth ATVs and power sports. We got the holidays right around the corner. Let's take a break really quick. Let's come back. Again, we're going to talk Can-Am Defender Pro. We're going to talk kids ATVs. We're going to talk Ski-Doo and snowmobile. Coming up in about 2 seconds here, we're going to talk Ryker 2021s coming in, several dozen of them. More next on Blackmans Cycle TV.
Should have been here yesterday.
Should have been here yesterday. Let's talk Can-Am Ryker 2021s. Jeff, you're the Can-Am expert here at Blackmans Cycle. I'm going to leave it to you, but we talked weeks ago about a pre-order of Can-Am Rykers coming in, and apparently that time has pretty much come. 600, 900s, rallies. 2021's going to be here. Get them before they're gone.
I'm not God's gift to motorcycles, but I could teach.
You should be.
I could teach just about anybody how to ride one of those in probably 10 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, you know Can-Am, but you know the Rykers and the Spiders. But,
yeah, I put a lot of miles on the Spider, not necessarily the Ryker. I do have miles on the Ryker, yeah. But of course, my ride of choice for my wife and I when we're together is the F3 Limited or the RT Limited. Unless I can get my hands on an F3S that is clutch manual, that's a lot of fun.
Now you're still in the honeymoon phase, so you guys share a bike, share a Spider. When the honeymoon phase is over and you go to separate vehicles, what do you see yourselves on?
She already wants a Ryker. She already wants a Ryker.
See that? Yes, Steffi. All right. Really quick for the novice before we move on to the next segment. As far as a Ryker goes, what's the difference between a 600 and 900 and a rally? Because if I'm a beginner, I go, I don't know. Why don't I just want a 6?
It's quite simple. The Ryker's made on their snowmobile platform, really. So the 600 Ace engine, which is their entry-level Ryker, that's actually a snowmobile engine. It's exactly, you can come into my showroom and look at a 600 4-stroke Ski-Doo, and it's the same engine.
Okay.
So you're in the 600, you're getting its engine size. If you have the 600 and the 900 next to each other, they are absolutely identical, with the exception that the under the hood, of course, the 900 is a bigger engine. It's 900 cc's. And there's a small gray marking on the front glove box that says 900. Otherwise, it's impossible to tell those two machines apart.
Okay.
And then when you get into the rally, now you're getting a gusseted front end. You're getting an improved sway bar. You're getting KYB front shocks, which are, other than Fox, top of the line. You're getting more aggressive, what they consider off-road tires, but it's not really an off-road tire like we look at here at Blackmans. When you say off-road to me, I'm thinking dirt bikes.
Yeah.
When they're saying off-road, they're saying that gravel road, salt fields, things of that nature.
Okay.
Some stuff you'd see like on the West Coast.
Okay.
You're also getting a 4-point adjustable suspension with the Rally. So if you were planning on 2-up riding, that adjustable shock, you can dial it down if you want it a little springier for yourself, and then if you had a passenger, you can tighten it up. And it also comes with the max mount on the Rally machine. That is a excuse me, an added accessory on either the 600 or 900. That's, I think it's almost a $300 accessory that you're getting with the machine.
Okay, very cool. Can-Am Riker 2021 is going to be here any day now. We're getting several dozen. It's a good thing. The selection's going to be there, the variety, the colors. We are very blessed to have that much inventory coming in. However, it's not going to last. We are on back order. People have pre-ordered. There are going to be some here in the showroom, but if you want it, first come, first serve. Reach out to Jeff at 610-965-9865. Blackmancycle.com, hashtag buy from the beard. What am I missing?
The one thing with Tim, our parts manager, he and I are getting together. As soon as we get those Rikers in, he and I are going to take one Rally, and we found some great aftermarket exhausts. So they're going to sound really, really nice. We're going to take one Riker Rally, and we are going to trick it out.
Awesome.
So everybody look forward to seeing that. The pipes are really cool, and we were able to get our hands on the last couple that were available on the East Coast.
Awesome.
So we have them all here.
That's fantastic. More information, blackmancycle.com. We got Keith's Corner coming up in a second on safety. Also, we will talk Can-Am Defender next with Jeff, and also talk about some youth ATVs and things coming up for the holidays right here on Blackmans Cycle TV. All right, special shout out to Jeff Buy from the Beard Rush's boy, and now my boy who we got to meet here, good old Wyatt.
Yeah, our #1 fan of Blackmans Cycle Center TV, Wyatt Castle. Him and his dad, they're awesome customers of mine. Wyatt watches us every week. We really appreciate you, so we just want to say, hey Wyatt, check out these American Landmasters.
Woo woo! His name is Keith. He has a corner. Another safety tip from Keith's Corner.
Wear a helmet.
Wow, I'll tell you what, when you think of safety, you think of Keith. That's exactly why he is the star of Keith's Corner.
Keith has more miles backing his motorcycle up to a curb than I have going forward.
There you go. Jeff Buy from the Beard Rush is here with me on Blackmans Cycle TV. It's Chris, episode 6 or...
We're going to look specifically at the Can-Am, we're going to look at a 2020 Can-Am Defender Pro XT. Why are we talking about that today? Well, because
it's awesome.
It is pretty cool, but there's a $3,000 rebate on it right now.
Ooh, there you go. All right.
And that machine retails for $20,099, $20,100 amongst friends.
$3,000 off.
And we're getting $3,000 off that. So theoretically, in theory, you can get that Defender Pro XT right now with the rebate cheaper than you could get a Defender HD10 DPS, which is one level above base.
And I'll tell you what, we are flying through side-by-sides and Can-Am Defenders and some of the other vehicles, Mavericks.
Well,
they're flying out of here. So the fact that you're getting $3,000 off of something that's already selling is nuts.
It's Defender season.
Yeah.
The fall is classically Defender season. I sit on these Defenders really all summer, and then once the cold weather hits deer season specifically, I sold to a bunch of hunters down in West Virginia. Paul, if you're watching, thanks a lot for the venison backstraps. Fried those up last night. They were delicious. So, you know, the hunters are using these Defenders to get them into the woods. We're using the winch to pull the deer out of ravines or places where they can't exactly get to.
Okay.
The Defender is super capable, super strong. It's a utility machine. It's not the machine that you're going to take out and rip on the weekends, although it is very trail capable.
Okay.
It's not necessarily my first choice or people in the business their first choice if they want to go out and just ride for the weekend.
Yeah,
you'd be in a Mavic X3, of course.
It's a specific need and want, and there's plenty of people that do or have a need that you just described.
Right.
So we'll have you walk over and we'll do a complete walk around, walk through video of that unit. Very excited. And I just heard Keith Horn, who is our district manager for BRP and for Can-Am, said that if you do purchase this vehicle, you are cordially invited over to his house for Thanksgiving dinner this year.
That's terrific. We're back, Jeff again from Blackmans. We're here in our Fortress, aka Fort Bader. This is where we house all our side-by-sides. So we're talking about this Defender Pro XT that's got the $3,000 rebate. So the machine is $20,099. You come see me, we're going to do $17,099. So getting into a Defender Pro with the XT label on it, you're going to get into this cheaper right now than you're going to get it in HD10 DPS. What is the Defender Pro? Glaringly, it's this 6-foot bed. This 6-foot bed is just like your pickup truck, basically. It's 5x6. You can remove these sides here to make it a flat bed. It is hydraulic assisted. Little to no effort to get that up there. And this chassis, now, don't be afraid of it. It is not really new. They took the chassis off of the Defender Max, the 4-seater. As you can see, this is where you would step up here, because this is storage now under here. But this is where you would step up, and the seats would be in a Max machine. And of course, you would have the shorter bed. So you have tons of storage that goes all the way through to the other side there, which is really popular with my hunters to put their rifles, their bows, their ammunition, anything that they need, when they're out for a weekend in the field. These are also very good. Volunteer fire companies have purchased these as their utility vehicles, especially their I don't know what they're called, the field fire crews or the forest fire crews, because this payload can take a lot of water into where they can't get a fire truck, a pumper, things of that nature. We got the roof that comes with it. We have the upgraded seats there for a little more comfort. And everybody thinks these ridges in the seats and all this looks nice. What that actually does is it actually keeps you from sliding around when you're in the cockpit there. So it is functional and it also looks good. When we get to the front here, we have the brush protection, which if you're, again, a hunter or anything like that, getting into the woods to kind of trailblaze your own trails, this is going to protect your front end. And then the winch, 45-pound Can-Am winch there to pull either you, an animal out of the woods. Always great to have a winch. Hope you never need it, but it's there when you need it. We have the aluminum wheels as well. It's a nice aggressive tire. Seat belts, of course, 4-wheel drive. And we have our rear locking differential as well. So we can outfit this machine with any number of accessories as well, whether you want doors, windshield, half shields, anything like that. Really great feature. You get the net down here under the seat. We have this removable box. Great, again, I keep saying for hunters because that's what this is designed for. Your outdoor enthusiasts, your farmers. Put your ammo in there. It's dry. You can take it in and out with you. Things of that nature, your magazines. This is also removable. Take this with you, take your lunch, whatever you need in there. And then this comes down as well. Cup holder, anything you need at the ready there. Lots of tricks, bells and whistles with this guy. For any more information on the Can-Am Defender Pro XT, see me, Jeff, George, Rick, Sammy, hashtag buy from the beard.
Thank you so much for checking out Blackmans Cycle TV. It's Chris Line for myself and Jeff Rush, aka Buy from the Beard. Just a reminder, we have plenty of youth ATVs in stock right now. Lots of great stuff for the holidays. We got some great rebates on Ski-Doo sleds while they last. More information, of course, blackmancycle.com. Give us a call, 610-965-9865. You have yourself a great day.